So I am at my computer and I just finished one of the gifts that you will get if you join the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Reality Museum. This is the shuttle experience at Kennedy Space Center. And what I was able to do is take a bunch of pictures and put them together so you will be able to see what the exhibit is like in the Kennedy Space Center. So as you can see, when I did the tour there, I went to several spots and I was able to get a lot of great images that I happened to put together of the shuttle. So if you would like to get this along with a free month of the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Reality Museum, just sign up July 1st for the anniversary of Neil Armstrong walking on the moon. And instructions to sign up for July 1st with the link to get your free month of July and this gift will be down below. So in the center of, you can see right there, these metal parts, that is to deflect the blast, all the rocket propellant, or the thrust that's coming out of the booster. It hits there. And they had to redo that because the Artemis was so powerful. And it burnt through some of the plates. And these are the plates that were bolted into that area. And you can see that, you can't really see it here, but some of them were kind of distorted from all of the thrust that was pressed on, that was coming from the booster to launch the rocket. And then on the side of the bricks there, you can also see where the blast was. You can see the black part. That was all, that was discolored because of the rocket launching from pad 39B. All right, so these tubes here, these push the water. 40 seconds, I believe it's like 40 swimming pools into that area for launch. And what, as you see on there, it says sound suppression. Well, I always thought it was for cooling. That's part of it. That keeps the launch pad semi-cool. But also what it does is it reduces the shock wave from bouncing off the ground and going back into the rocket. Now, the shuttle was launched from here, and that was critical with the shuttle because if the shock wave could actually knock the tiles off the shuttle. So by using the water comes in, cools a little bit, and then is vaporized and absorbs the shock wave. So then it comes out as steam and the spacecraft is not harmed. So that is the path that the crawler comes up with the rocket. So you can see it comes up here to the pad. And as you can see, they have this area here with these little tabs. I don't know if you can see the tab. What they do is they put plywood in all of this. And the reason why they put the plywood down when the crawler comes up here, it's not to protect the concrete, it's to protect the track of the crawler. And because the crawler, they had the gravel over there which cushioned it. Here they don't have that. The plywood does it for it. And the reason why they do that, it's because the the tracks, if you break one of those tracks, it's very, very difficult to change. So that's why they put the plywood down. And as you can see over here, these are the towers, or the track that they go up to, and then they put it on there. You see 3 over there, 3 and 6, and then they have 4 in the background and 2. That's where they line up the pad to for it. Now, if we come over here, I'm going to show you something else. Now, don't know if we'll be able to see it, but the van is going to be in the way, maybe. There it is. Okay, if you can see it right out there, you see those blue spots? That is for the escape baskets. That's where the egress system, where the baskets will go when they have to leave the rocket to get away from it in case there's any problems with it. And again, the lightning, the towers that they have there. Here you are right by the rocks. We're going to see how far we can go down to the blast pad. And we're going to continue out here so we can see. So this is the blast pad, from the other area. As you can see, those tubes coming up through the water. That's where the water comes out on the backside, and then the blast comes up here, and there, that's where the rocket is launched. And the thrust is mostly pushed away, back that way, and has been told if you look straight there, all that grass that's green, that turns brown. And all gets burnt out, but it grows right back again.